For those younger generations who want to start a career or build a career using technology or using data, what would you tell them about how much of a role technology and data play in manufacturing today?
Data is key. Data is everywhere in a manufacturer. Everything from the shop floor, minute to higher up CEO levels, making decisions. Yeah, data is the future for manufacturing. In the past, perception was always used. Social media sometimes used. How are we doing? But data is the true decision makers, and in order to get true data, the right data, the correct data, live data, you need the younger generation coming in, because they're the ones that know how to use the technology coming up. They're the ones that can do the statistical manipulations needed to make the data, presentable, to make it look easy to read for the CEOs. An opportunity in the manufacturing world is the people that can take the raw data and transform it into these pretty graphs and reports that the upper leadership and the CEOs and top level leaders can use to make the decisions for the everyday business needs.